Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're diving into the world of natural language processing to build a semantic search engine using Python. Without wasting any time, let's walk through the code step by step to understand how it works. For writing my Python code, I'm using VS Code, and you can use any code editor of your choice. So let's get started. So first of all, I'll create one folder named rag. And to use my VS Code, I'll open the command prompt by typing cmd and type code dot. Now I can start writing my Python code. First of all, I have to create a virtual environment. So I'll go to the terminal. And to create a virtual environment, the command line is conda create -n rag python is equals to 3.10. I'll say yes. So it is successfully installed. I can activate my virtual environment by conda activate, and name of the virtual environment is rag. So it is successfully initiated. I'll create my Python file named app.py and I can start writing my code. So for the semantic search engine, there are some steps you have to follow. First of all, you need a loader. And for that I'm using CSV loader. And second step, you have to create embeddings. And for that I'm using Hugging Face embeddings. Sentence transformer. As it is open source, I don't have to pay any amount for this. And the third step is creating a vector database, vector-db. For that I'm using Faz. Faz is Facebook AI Similarity search. And the fourth last step is Similarity search for our query. So let's start writing our code. For this I'm using LangChain modules, and for CSV loader there is a module from LangChain community. LangChain community dot document loaders dot CSV loader import CSV loader. For creating embeddings from LangChain community dot embeddings import Hugging Face. For Faz from LangChain community dot vector stores import Faz. It is from CSV loader, and I'll have to upload one file. So I have one CSV. I'll upload this in my rag. Open the VS Code and give this path. Data is equals to loader.load. For embeddings, I'm using sentence transformer. Embeddings is equals to Hugging Face embeddings. Model name I'll search for model name. It's all MP-net base v2. So this is the model I'm using, sentence transformers model. I'll just copy paste here. Model is equals to, I have to define the device. As right now I don't have an access of NVIDIA GPU, I can't use CUDA, so I'm using CPU here. Now for database, I'm using faz, so db.faz.from documents. I have to pass data here and embeddings. Now coming to the last point, the similarity search. I have to define some query, so I'll take a query as my input from a user. Input and query, and there is a retrieval, so retrieval is equals to db.similarity search of query. Now I'll just print the output. Print retrieval of 0. So that's all. Right now there are errors. You have to install the dependencies first. For that I'm creating one file named requirements.txt, and for this, first of all, I have to install sentence transformers. Second thing I need is faz CPU, and I have to install LangChain community as well. Yeah, LangChain. That's all I have to install. So I'll go to my terminal and install it. Pip install -r requirements.txt. So it is downloading the requirements. In the meantime, I'll just correct my code. It is Hugging Face embeddings. So I have successfully installed all the dependencies. Now I have to just save my code and run my Python file. I'll write python app.py. First of all, I'll show you what's in my a.csv. There are like two columns. One is text and another is category. If you will see the first row, the benefits of meditation and yoga on mental health. So it is related to health only. So first is the text and another is the category it is related to. So let's get back to the code and I'll run my code. is throwing me some error. Okay, it is Hugging Face. I'll save it. And I'll run the code again. It is downloading the weights. So it is asking me for some query, and I'll write as an apple a day keeps the doctor away, and I'll hit enter, and it is giving me some output. Text is tips for maintaining a balanced diet and nutrition, and category is health. So it has given me the correct result, and if you will see the data set, there is no use of apple, no use of doctor in any of the text here, and it's still giving me the good response. Right now it is giving me the metadata response as well, and that I can trim with dot page content dot strip. I'll save the code and I'll rerun the code. I'll give some another query. I'll write as for better physique, go to the gym. So the text is effective home workouts for a healthy lifestyle, and category is fitness. For this text as well, if you will see, there is no use of gym anywhere, no use of physique anywhere, but automatically it gives me the good result if the category is fitness. So that's all from my side from this video. Wait for the next video. Until then, take care and stay updated.